So now the deck is secured to the frame. It's now time to make the hole. Okay, to make the hole, we're going to come down 9 inches. Okay, 9 inches, make a mark. And then 12 inches across at that mark. Okay, so I'm at 12 inches. And make a mark there. Going to double check that we're 9 down. And we are. So here's our mark. I like to make a hole there, a starter hole. So I'll just put this. That way the whole saw bit is able to catch there, and we're in a good spot to be even and where we need to be. 9 inches down, 12 inches across. Now there's a couple ways you can do this. I use this, I got on Amazon for like $17. I've used it for every cornhole set that I built, and I built close to 100 of them. You just need patience with it so you don't get too much tear out. And also, you know, it does take a little bit of pushing down, but not too much. Just let this bit do its work. Other people will use a jigsaw. Some will use a router and have a router jig. Those work perfectly well too. I just find this is my easy way. So we just attach it to our drill. I'll put my drill on the highest setting so that we have maximum rotation. Okay, once it's in the hole, we're just going to start drilling. There you have it. Once that's done, I take a 120 grit piece of sandpaper just to get the edges a little bit, because in a little bit we're going to use a round over bit around the hole and around the boards with our router. But for right now, we just want to make sure no splinters happen or anything such as that. Now that we have it sanded and flush, we're going to take our router with a round over bit and we're going to go around the hole at all 4 sides to make a nice little round over on the edges.